Are these Mavericks four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive?
They're all-wheel.
All-wheel. Okay, just.
Yep, it's front biased.
Okay, and then just when needed.
Yep, but this one's specific. It's got the torque vectoring rear end out of the tremors.
Okay.
You know how torque vectoring works?
I couldn't explain it, but I guess I get the idea of it.
Yeah, so like regular all-wheel drive on like a CRV is just gonna be front-wheel drive bias, and then when it detects slippage, like the front wheels are moving at a different speed than the rear, it's gonna send power to both rear wheels through an open differential.
What's the
So whatever, when the power goes from the front to the rear, it's going to go to whatever tire has the least resistance.
Okay.
So when you're in a sliding situation, like whatever, like if you're going around a turn hard and the load's on the outside, it's going to like slip that inside wheel. With the dual clutch torque vectoring rear end, is similar to limited slip, where it can send power from the right or the rear. So it's detecting, like, it's got a speed sensor on each corner.
Okay.
And once it starts detecting slippage, it will actually, like, send the power to the wheel that has the most traction, not that has the least resistance.
Huh. It's kind of cool. I like the wheels, too.
Thank you. Yeah, this is the new LOBO.
LOBO.
So
okay, I saw that badge.
So it came out, like, just a month ago.
That's nice, man.
Yeah, it's got, so they basically did, like, lowered torque vectoring rear end, the wheels, like a little bit of body kit and stuff like that. But it's got the stock 2-liter, so it's like a reliable EcoBoost motor, but it still makes 250 horsepower. I just did a trip to Oregon, and I was going like 75, 80, 28.4 miles to the gallon.
That was a truck.
Well, I mean, it's a car that identifies as a truck sometimes, you know. This one's limited to just 2,000 pounds towing and then like 1,000 pounds payload. So it's like it's more car than truck, but like
if you needed to, you can.
Yeah, I mean, like do you want to see something really cool? Can I show you out back?
Sure.
So now the flying
Have you got like a computer?
Yeah, we'll apply it here, there, so just raise this up to the wheel well. Doesn't slide out or anything. Like, you know, you can't haul a car plywood, but for like home projects and stuff, it's better. Mine's 3.5 tons, and it's just like so low that